The 2010 to 2013 Ferrari 458V Italia by Vorsteiner. The Ferrari 458 Italia is one model that doesn't really need any upgrades in our opinion. Vorsteiner doesn't seem to agree with us, as it has unveiled a pretty comprehensive aesthetic kit for the Italian supercar. Dubbed the 458V, this Italia wears a yellow coat and comes with plenty of carbon fiber elements. The tuner prepared an aerodynamic kit that includes a new add-on front spoiler, a rear deck lid spoiler, a rear diffuser package with extended aero fins and a carbon fiber rear fog lamp housing. The tuner offers the package with a set of VS 110 wheels sized 20 or 21 inches sizes and in a number of finishes. Vorsteiner is apparently rather happy with the Italia's output, as this kit offers no upgrades for the stock 4.5-liter V8 engine, leaving the output at 562 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. This helps sprint the Italian supercar to 60 miles per hour in under 3.4 seconds and up to a top speed in excess of 202 miles per hour. Click past the jump to read more about the Ferrari 458V Italia by Vorsteiner. Ferrari 458V Italia by Vorsteiner in detail. The add-on front spoiler is made in carbon fiber and was specially designed to direct more air in the engine's radiator located in the front end of the vehicle and to further enhance the performance of the vehicle. The package continues with a rear deck lid spoiler designed to add a little extra downforce without impeding on the sexy back side of the Italia. The new rear diffuser helps reduce lift, plus it features a vent to allow the ambient heat from the exhaust system to exit the underside of the car. To help the Italia accommodate this new diffuser, Vorsteiner also includes revised, carbon fiber rear fog light housing.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.